Hi guys, what's up, and welcome back again to another walking tour vlog. So nakita dito guys, the name of this market is Anusarn Market. And let's have a walking tour on this market guys. So look, diba? Amazing. And I think that guys is part of Chiang Mai Bazaar Night Market. But I think that is the official. So there are a lot of tuk-tuks here guys. I think it's not yet raining guys. Wow, so check that out. So it has something to do with the festival that's happening in Chiang Mai every month of November I think. And you will not be wet here guys because they have a ceiling over here. Oh, amazing. I've been walking for 2 kilometers already. So there are a lot of things that you can buy here guys. Oh, there is sunshine. So this portion over here guys is for dry goods. And this portion is for the food. So there are a lot of stalls here guys, so you can have your snack over here. Look, let's see how fun now. So there are a lot of stalls here. So same with and then they also have a band. So they have a stage over here guys. Cow crispy pork. Street food with juice. May beer ni siya dito. Fried dumplings. So now we are back here at the dry goods area guys. If you want to buy souvenirs, so you visit here. Ping seafood and Thai food. King for fruit. Anusarn Market. Social na lang market ba? Yeah, but unfortunately this portion is closed already. So nagsira na sila, kaya gamay na lang tao. So they should have operated 2 p.m. until 12 in the morning. But since gamay raman tao, they are now closing. Mga local siguro na sila. Tattoo, street food. I guess we're going to the other end of the market. Unfortunately guys, there are not so many people here. Okay. So mga balugya diri, mga dry goods, iris drug. Ooh. Kashmir, Gara, Fish, Spa. Wala na good siya guys. So this portion is already closed. So I guess tourists doesn't go this far, but I think this should be busy because this is part of the bazaar night market, unlike in Chiang Rai where there are a lot of people. But for tonight it seems that they are not that busy. Oh, and go here guys, ordering a mango smoothie because it's very hot. So they are ordering frozen ice cream. And my order is here na guys. And we're now here outside of the Anusarn market guys. And we're checking what's here. So I think this is part of Chinese Chiang Mai night bazaar. So they have a lot of tailoring shops here. And I think most of the tailoring shops are owned by the Indians, because I think that's their specialty. So this one is a shoe store.
When he comes back, okay,
So another restaurant. This one is Little Istanbul. Ooh. Of course, toothpicks. So this one, they have we have here McDonald's and another stretch of peddlers, sellers. So yeah, so it's everywhere here guys. Amazing. Pavilion Night Bazaar. So this is still part of, no, not part, but it's connected to the Anusarn market. So here you can also buy your food. Pavilion Night Bazaar. Whoa. So they are just connected with each other. So now let's go to the other side guys. So let's continue our walking tour. Let's check what we could find here. So as usual, there are a lot of restaurants for you to eat. So yeah, most here are restaurants. And Duan Tawan Hotel. So I have walked already 3 kilometers and I'm not even close yet to my hostel. Marriott, look guys, Marriott Hotel. Guys, I did not expect that very long stretch of road from there up to here is full of bars. As in, yeah. And we are now getting near the old city area of Chiang Mai. I'm not sure if this is part of Chiang Mai Night Bazaar, but we are still lined with all the bars here, guys. Even this very small alley, guys, there's a bar here. And we are now getting near Taipei Gate. So another bar and restaurant here, guys. I guess that ends our tour in Chiang Mai Night Bazaar. Yes, that street is very interesting. It's full of bars and all. Yeah. Bye.